I'd like to start today's lecture with some old photo of Seoul. This photo was taken in early 1900s, maybe around 1908. The building at the background was built in 1908, which is the first modern water treatment plant in Seoul. Yes, definitely the first one in Korea too. This photo was taken in 1970s. At the time, not all the citizens could have access to the water service. So some people had to buy water from the person who have water tap at their house, like the ladies in the photo. Even though 87% of citizens could access to the water service, the city sometimes had to use trucks to deliver water to the citizens who lived in the highland area, like this. Another photo of highland area, the citizens had to be in a long line to get water. Hundreds of people gathered together to celebrate the installation of water tap at their community. This photo is water quality analysis lab in 1970s. This is local water service offices. This photo is the small fountain located in the eastern mountainous area of Korean Peninsula. It's the origin of the Han River. Han River consists of two Han Rivers, North Han River and South Han River. Those two rivers joined at the Paltang Dam. This is Paltang Dam, the closest dam to Seoul. This is one of the source water of Seoul. The Han River flows pass through the middle of the city. The city installed many water fountains for the citizens to promote the high water quality of Seoul's water. City made bottled water as one of the promotion. I'd like to share 100 history of waterworks system of Seoul with you today. My name is Youngjun Choi, and I'm a director of the Bureau of R&D for Water of Seoul Water Institute. According to the British Medical Journal, the life expectancy is closely related with the waterworks system, drinking water and wastewater system. The life expectancy of Seoul was 45 when the modern water treatment plant started in 1908. It became over 80 in 2015. As you can see from the diagram, the life expectancy goes with the capacity increase in drinking water production. Let's take a look at a historical perspective of Seoul in terms of waterworks system. When we started waterworks system in 1908, until 1950s, the population grew rapidly, slowly, but the capacity does not increase much. Unfortunately, Koreans have Korean War in 1950, so the population decreased rapidly. The dark blue line is the population of Seoul. And then from 1960, Korean government started so-called economic development plan in Korea. So the population and the economy grew very fast during the 70s and 80s. As you can see, the population grew fast, and also the light blue line, which means the capacity of drinking water production increased rapidly also. But in 2000, the population is stabilized, and also the capacity is stabilized too, but after 2000 it's decreased. It means we could reduce the production amount of water because we increase the efficiency of the system. We'll talk about that later. The production capacity of Seoul for drinking water is 4.6 million cubic meters per day. It's a huge amount of water. With this 4.6 million cubic meter of water, we can fill 2,500 Olympic-sized swimming pools. And we have supply pipe network with the length of 14,000 kilometers. 14,000 kilometers is a little bit longer than the diameter of the Earth. This is a map of Seoul. As we mentioned before, the Han River passed through the middle of the city from the east, which is the upstream, to the west, which is the downstream. We have 6 source water intake stations. There's a little dot, 5. The other one is located at the Paltang Dam, outside of Seoul. And we have 6 water treatment plants. 1, 2, 3 covers northern part of Seoul, and the other 1, 2, 3 covers the southern part of Seoul. The city achieved many things in waterworks system, but because of time limit, I'd like to share with you a couple of important achievements among them.